everybody, a little bonus footage here. I was just finishing up cleaning up that tree, and we were breaking the slash down here to our burn pile, and I took a glance over at where the pig pen is, and lo and behold, we have squash. And I'm not quite sure where this plant begins, but it's coming out of the fence, as it does. And let me see if I can part the ways here. Look at that. That is a tromponcino squash. So, as we said before, it is the honey badger squashes. It gives no shits. It will plant itself if you don't plant it. I think I'm going to go ahead and harvest that one and use it as a zucchini because I can. Have a great day, guys.